Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cameron, Ayanna. Welcome back to my channel. I look so good, bro. Anyways, so I was doing homework earlier, and then I went to go eat, but I don't want to do my homework anymore because it's stressing me out. So I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm bored. And I figured, why not make a YouTube video out of it? Nothing special, just want to do my makeup, so let's go! Hi! I'm about to be on the phone with my friend. You guys already met her, Carolyn. I'm sorry. Carol, that's her name. I want you guys to meet the rest of my friends, but hopefully that will happen soon, you know? I'm filming a YouTube video. They can't hear you though. Oh, sorry, hold on. You got all excited. Okay, they can hear you now.
Hi.
Ew.
Stop.
Not y'all getting a high before I get a high. I feel like I should put my hair up, but then I'm gonna look crazy. Let's do it. There we go. That's much better lighting. And I'm crooked. Let's go. I'm not gonna be able to see. So like, I don't know how to do makeup. Like, I just started a couple of months ago, and I'm pretty sure I've only done it like 4 times.
Lying to y'all already?
I'm not, bro. I've only done makeup I've only done my makeup like 5 times, and 2 of those times I had instructions. Like, I had to do it for a class. Yeah, I had to do it for my class. That's the only reason I started doing makeup, was for JC. But now here we are.
She just looking to clown my face.
Huh? Yo, I look like so good in my phone camera, but when I turn to my laptop, I look like it. I know the first step is primer. That's about as far as I can get you. You better call Tara.
I'm gonna name it with the bestie.
Call. Tell him come on, help you get your stuff. We don't curse on this channel. We are PG. You better call Tara. Call. Bet you can't. Oh. Are you live already?
Yes.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Video?
Yeah.
Sorry, I
Thank
didn't mean
you.
to interrupt.
I already told them. She brought my Sprite, you guys. Okay, anyways.
I've never seen someone get so excited over some Sprite.
Girl, that's my favorite drink.
My bestie.
That's my favorite drink. I'm scared, yo.
Have you had the Sprite cream?
Woo! That's dark. I've never done eyeliner before, so this is gonna be kind of scary. Okay. Are you supposed to do that after you put the makeup on? I think so. Yes. Okay. I gotta get this off my face. Alright, ma'am. You have to be so aggressive.
So, like, I fell in the washing machine earlier.
You did what with the cheese stick?
It is highly recommended. On a scale of 1 to 10, it is a 10,000. I saw you wink at the camera. You're not asleep. I saw that. You tried it.
I've been caught, you guys.
That's tiny, boo. But I still can't get over how you can't wink with both eyes.
I can't. I don't even know how to close my other eye without closing it.
Like, you really can't. It's crazy.
That's the question of the video. Can you wink with both eyes? I want to know.
Ooh, I gave the question of the video.
Not her for special. You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out. Sorry. It's Christmas time. Okay, but this is kind of cute, not gonna lie.
I hope y'all have fun returning to school, you weirdos who are actually going back. Yeah.
Okay.
Never.
Oops, I forgot to tell y'all what I did. Okay.
Look.
Oh, what did it say? Okay, so I use this color right here, the really light, like baby blue / lavender looking color on my entire lid, and then I use this one right here on like the halfway to the outside, so it can kind of like do an ombre type thing. I kind of like it. Okay, liner. Okay, this is about to be real scary, you guys. I don't know if I can do this.
Not scary.
I've never done liner before. Like, this is so new to me. Shout out to Elf for the liner. They didn't give it to me. I bought it with my own money from Walmart, but shout out to Elf. Okay.
Let me say shout out to Elf.
Elf.
That's what I just said. Elf.
I thought you said L. Yo, what? Oh, y'all. I did a dumb thing. I did a very dumb thing. I did a very, very dumb thing. I did a dumb thing. I did a very, very dumb thing. I hit my leg with the makeup brush.
Jesus.
It looks so much worse in person than it does on my laptop camera. Well, let's just hope my sheets don't turn blue. Like my hands just did. Why didn't I just use a makeup remover? Like, Jesus. I'm different.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm different. Yeah, I'm different.
Oh my god.
Pull up to the scene with us elementary. Pull up to the scene with us elementary. Oh, sorry. Okay, hold on. Cause like, I'm gonna push y'all back for a second. Cause I have to get this eyeliner right. Y'all, I forgot about my Sprite. It's been sitting here the whole time. With no love from me at all. That's just disrespectful. Who told me to do such a thing? Why y'all let me forget about my Sprite?
How you gonna blame them?
Because they let me forget about my Sprite. Yeah, my eyeliner doesn't match, but at this point... Okay. And I think I'm going to leave it too, because I don't care. No, I'm not. I'm going to take it off. At this point, I'm going to just redo both of my eyes.
Did you say you're gonna redo both of your eyes?
No, what? I would never say such a thing.
Your video could be 2 hours long.
You act like editing does not exist.
Okay, it's gonna be 2 hours long, and then you're gonna edit it, and it's gonna be an hour long.
Girl, I edited I edited a 2-hour video, and it turned out to be like 12 minutes. What are you talking about?
Excuse me?
Yes. Also, that other video that you're in, the clothing haul, is about to go up. So if you haven't seen it already, go ahead and watch it. Because I know it's already posted since I'm posting this. But go watch it, bruh. That joke was funny. I'm still editing it, bruh. I can't. We are so dumb. Foundation. Woo.
I want to go to Tennessee.
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only Tennessee. A caw.
You need to go.
Who, me?
This girl said cough.
What did I do?
Did I do that?
Yo, I saw him in a movie the other day with no glasses and overalls, and I was like, oh, he can be normal? What?
This girl said he can be normal.
Like, I knew he acting other stuff, but I ain't never seen him outside of that. So I was like, dang, this dude actually has like a career and stuff. Gotta put this powder stuff on, I think. Okay, what else am I supposed to do? Oh, contour. Gotta contour. I just learned how to do this too. Because when I started doing it, I was like, what the heck? It's not doing anything. Highlights. Highlights. Sorry. It was a Hamilton reference. Continue. I'm genuinely not trying to pack on a whole bunch of mascara because this stuff is so hard to get off. Like, it's so annoying.
Hey, girl, really over here. Nah, I can't wait for you to take that dang old ponytail off the top of your head.
It was my day. We're done, bro. We did it. Do I look any different?
Take
No.
it off. Take the ponytail down.
Now time for the reveal. Oh, wait. Sorry, I forgot. I gotta do the what is this stuff called again? Setting spray. There we go. Okay. Yo, bruh, this stuff smells like it tastes like peppermint.
Girl, you was giving me very much Foxy Brown vibes. Love it. Oh, period. Oh, period. Don't play with you.
What she said. Anyways, oh, by the way, I'm on TikTok. If you don't follow me, go follow me. Also, I have a Discord. Go join that. I'll be posting my covers on SoundCloud, so like, go follow me, I guess. What else? Is that it? That's all the announcements I have. Not her promoting herself after I dedicated a whole 27-minute video to her. Hold on, wait. Let's go do a reveal to mama.
You could blend it better though. Right in there. It's not. Right there. It's a little space missing right there. Or maybe that's the way that
Between my eyebrow and my...
Never mind. That's the way that is. Okay, never mind. I mean, I don't know makeup. That's pretty.
Thanks.
It's really pretty.
Mama stamp of approval. Huh?
What are you doing?
Recording YouTube video?
You look like a Foxy Brown, somebody from the 70s.
Yo.
That's not a bad look. Like, they're beautiful black women.
No, I'm not saying it's bad.
You give me a vibe.
Huh?
Show me. It's the fro and the makeup. What the heck? Did I sit on a remote or something?
Where's Dimitri? I can't see.
Oh, you ain't got your glasses on.
No.
Well, don't walk in the desert.
Dimitri?
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy said to show you my face.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Thanks. She said I look like Foxy Brown.
Yeah, I can see that. You almost look like... Don't take this the wrong way. But... It almost look like something I seen Beyonce do.
Why would I take the wrong way? He said I look like Beyonce.
They don't like Beyonce. They only be classified as looking like her.
He said I look like Beyonce.
Without fake butt. And now she used to wear plastic butts.
I know, Mom.
That's right.
Guess what my mama just said I look like?
That's right. What she said?
Foxy Brown.
I told you.
Yes, with the hoops. With the hoops, baby.
Giving me very much Foxy Brown vibes.
Shut up.
Yeah, don't play with
Shut
you.
up. Shut up.
Please,
Shut up.
please,
Shut
don't
up.
play with
Don't
Don't play with you.
Alright, let me do this outro real quick. Yo! I look so good.
Period.
Yo, okay, so this is like the final look. On a scale of 1 to 10, 7 out of 10. For me, it's a 7 out of 10 because it looks good, but like it's kind of like inconsistent where the colors change. Look, see, like right there, and right there, and right there. So that could be better. Other than that, my highlight looks nice. Barely exists, but it barely exists, but it looks nice. And everything else looks good, but I look so good. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, I love you so much. Say it back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you. Read the description box because I know you don't. Hit the notifications bell to get notified every single time I upload. That was so out of order, but it doesn't matter. Read the description box. Go follow me on all my socials because I need new friends, and you guys are like friendable. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Oh, have a good day, week, month, year, morning, noon, night. Can't forget to say that. I can't speak English right now. Can't forget to say that. That's what I'm trying to say. Yo, all I need is like some blue nails and I'll be set for life. Anyways, peace out.